here, and today we're going to be making something that's super easy and fun to make, and you can pretty much make this with any materials except for the one base material needs to remain the same, and that is popsicle sticks. So what we're making today, we're going to be making popsicle stick dolls. These are super simple to make, super easy, and they can be super customized. So let's get into it. So step one of this process, you can do with like pencils. If you don't feel comfortable, you can do it with like a pencil. If you want, you can do it with a pen or a marker. But your first thing you're going to want to do in this process is to draw the face of your doll. So I'm gonna go for brown eyes. And so what I'm gonna do for the eyes is basically just do little like half circles. I'm gonna try to make them kind of even. So there's the little eyes. Now be warned, markers and pens might bleed a little bit on the wood. This is completely normal. So next I'm gonna take a black, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a line above the eyes. Make her look kind of grumpy. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, okay. And then for the face, I'm gonna give her a little bit of a grumpy face, because it's cute and I like it. So you can also do other types of faces. You can do little smiles, you can do little blushies on the cheeks, but this is my base doll, so this is what I'm going to do for her base. The next step is the hair. So what I'm going to do to make the hair is I'm going to use construction paper, and I am going to cut out a strip of construction paper that is a little bit wider than the popsicle stick. That's the word I'm looking for. And then I'm going to decide on the length that I want for the hair, and I want to give her bangs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it over like so, decide where I want her bangs to sit and fold it back, and then I'm going to cut the line that I folded for her bangs, like that. So she's got some base hair. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attach her base hair. I'm going to use double-sided tape for this, but you could really use any sort of method for this. You could use glue, you could use double-sided tape like me, you could use hot glue, though if you are crafting when small, I don't recommend hot glue because that can be dangerous, but I'm going to use a little bit of double-sided tape on the back of her head to stick on the construction paper. I'm going to line it up properly, of course, but I'm going to use a bit of that to stick on the construction paper where I want it. And then I'm going to use pressure to apply it. I'm going to fold over her bangs. For her bangs, I'm going to use a very small piece of double-sided tape to secure those down where I want those. So now they're there. And if you want to, you can do what I'm about to do, which I am going to push back the edges of her hair on the corners there to make her hair have a more rounded effect. So next, let's give her some clothes. You can also optionally give them arms. If you took another one of these and gave them arms, you could also give them arms with pipe cleaners or wire. I'm choosing not to give her arms, and I'm just going to draw little lines where her arms will be. For her clothes, I'm actually going to use a cupcake liner and some markers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her a top. So I'm going to decide on the color that I want for her top. I think I'll go with this shiny sort of metallic purple. Decide where I want her top to be, and then draw a little shape that looks like her shirt that still gives her some arms. But I'll also do some like straps here to show that she has arms. So that's going to be her little shirt. Next, I'm going to take this cupcake liner. I'm going to very carefully fold it in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half one more time. And then I'm going to line it up with where her top is. I'm going to cut off a little section of it so that it lines up a little better. That's perfect. And now I'm going to use a little bit double-sided tape to secure that as well. And there you have it, a little basic popsicle stick doll. Like I said before, you can definitely change this up. You can use like washi tape to add different details. You could draw on her with different materials. You could add like rhinestones and other things with hot glue and double-sided tape. But this is the basic sort of thing that I went for because this is going to be like a sort of just a fun little activity to keep you busy. So, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Comment if you can. I'm not sure if I'm going to have comments on for this video, but if you can, comment if you can. Tell me what you thought. And if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below if you can. If not, leave them on a comment on another video. Remember to stay awesome, love yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, lovelies!